It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 10th of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather dry today, but still cold. Looks like we'll have another shot of cold air for the weekend. Next rain chance will be Monday of next week. Question is, could there be some winter mischief early Monday morning? We'll take a look at that as we go. Water vapor satellite view to start the day. Big trough continues over the eastern U.S. Let's pull the cold air down in here. Look at Gadsden, 18 to start the day. Cullman at 20, the same for Haleyville. Birmingham, 24. We'll forecast a high in the low 40s in most spots today, but the sky will be bright and sunny. Around the nation, very cold air covers the eastern U.S., but we'll start to warm up temporarily tomorrow. All of our winter weather issues have ended. We still have winter weather advisories north and east of the state. North Georgia, middle and eastern Tennessee, and points north. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through early Monday morning. And you can see a little bit pushing in here. The bulk of the rain will come during the day Monday. And again, the question is, could there be a window for a little winter mischief early Monday? And we'll discuss that as we go. This is today off the GFS, valid at noon, the 06Z run at 500 millibars. Western Ridge, Eastern Trough, sunny, breezy, cold today. Again, low 40s, pretty good west wind at 10 to 20. Any flurries will be well to the north and east. Tomorrow morning, we begin the day around, let's say, 27 to 30. And then we warm up nicely. The high should be in the mid-50s. It'll feel pretty good. That'll be the warmest day. Friday, a cold front comes through in dry fashion. And really, this run kind of backs off on the timing of that. And if indeed that is correct, Friday would be relatively mild with a high well up in the 50s. In fact, maybe parts of West Alabama touching 60 on Friday. We'll probably bump our high forecast numbers up a little bit based on the slower progression of the colder air coming back. And this is Saturday, and here comes the colder air. A 1047 millibar high north of Des Moines. Saturday will be a sunny day, but a colder day with a high only around 40. And then Sunday, same thing. It's going to be cold Sunday morning with low 20s. The high Sunday, mid to upper 40s. But the day will be sunny. Now, clouds will increase Sunday night. And by the way, these are the temperature anomalies for Sunday. You can see it's going to be a cold Valentine's Day for the eastern quarter of the country. So as the wave comes in early Monday, here we go. Monday morning at 6 o'clock. And the GFS continues to suggest the precipitation could begin in the form of the classic wintry mix. Little freezing rain, sleet, maybe some snowflakes over the northern third of Alabama. And this would be early Monday morning, after midnight Sunday night. You cannot resolve this so far in advance. This is Wednesday. This forecast event is Monday morning. Just be aware of the possibility. And then at noon, we go all rain, and we got a wedge here, a very well-defined wedge, and that's suggesting potential for nasty icing at Atlanta on Monday. And that could be much more significant for our friends over in North Georgia. And there's been some good consistency in that idea with the wedge. So if you're in Atlanta, just be aware of that as a flag there. But for us, there could be some issues Monday morning on a temporary basis, but I will say this, that the models have trended a little warmer in their thermal fields. This is the European, and it's a little slower, and this is Monday at noon, and the wedge is there, but if the European is right, it'll just be rain here, and hopefully that will give Atlanta time to warm up where they just have rain. So there's a lot of uncertainty here, as you might expect. We'll have better clarity late this week by Friday. The forecast confidence will be somewhat higher. Here's the snow output coming off the European valid late Monday night, and it's putting down some pretty good amounts north of here around the Ohio River, but very little for our state. So just something to watch early Monday. Other than that, Monday looks like a cool, rainy day. Tuesday, that wave is on by, and there is no cold air involved behind that. We'll see highs up in the 50s, and this is a week from today, Wednesday, the 17th. The pattern is relaxing, and that should be a really nice day. A good chance we see low 60s as the advertised warming trend begins later this month. This is the end of the forecast period, the end of next week, Friday the 19th. Troughing way to the north, and again, for us, a little cold front slips in here, but no really cold air involved. Teleconnections, AO going positive. NAO going positive. And accordingly, the numbers respond. Look at those 60s coming in here toward the middle and end of next week. And I think there's a pretty good chance that will indeed verify. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, join us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.